Today we are unboxing the June Allure beauty box, and this one has 6 products.
Oh wow.
You got to choose from different First Aid Beauty fab ones. That was like your customization choice. And then you got a random Paul Mitchell product. As usual, they wrap up the box really nicely with tissue paper and like a little booklet explaining about the different items in it.
Okay, so this is David's Hydroxy toothpaste.
It has hydroxyapatite, which is supposed to remineralize your teeth, and it has a natural peppermint essential oil mix.
It's vegan.
I tried this yesterday. I liked it a lot. I think it would be good for the daytime, like your morning brush, because it doesn't have fluoride.
Mm-hmm.
And when you sleep at night, that's when the cavities are most likely to come.
It's made in the USA. It's got sustainable packaging, recyclable metal tube, family owned and operated, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, no sodium lauryl sulfate, sulfate free. So very cool. And it's how big? 1.7 ounces?
It's 1.75 ounces. The retail price is about $11 for a 4-ounce tube. So it's really fun to be able to try a big size first.
Right.
The next product is the Luna Nectar Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. And this is 30 milliliters, $50 value. And this has bakuchi oil and rosehip.
Do you have this open?
It's
like
it's really make sure I would be careful because mine wasn't sealed properly.
Oh wow.
And so when I was dumping it out of the bag, oh yeah, see, it leaked again. Do you see that?
Maybe that's why it's in the box.
Do you see that? Like I didn't. Do you see that?
Okay, I'm gonna go from the bottom.
But
it's a heavy.
It's a nice
box.
heavy glass, but look at how much this has leaked.
Okay, so we're gonna go from the bottom. Let's see. Okay, no, look, you can.
Okay.
So maybe it's not.
But mine's leaking for some reason. Is yours leaking too?
No, I don't think so.
But it's a really nice formula. The bakuchi oil, bakuchol, is a plant-based ingredient that's supposed to be a more sensitive skin, sensitive, friendly retinol.
It's like a nature's retinol, right? Like a natural retinol.
And
wait, how is it spelled?
B-A-K-U-C-H-I.
That's how you call it.
Okay.
So yeah, so the dermatologist I have has said that it's that specific type of oil is really good.
So I'm
not
just
this specifically, but the ingredient.
It's just a nice clear serum. It absorbed quickly into my skin.
And this was a $50 value.
$50 value. And then we have let's do the First Aid Beauty product we each chose. There's a total of 4 different choices.
So here's
the after shower body oil, the powder exfoliant, the KP bump eraser body scrub, or the ultra repair face moisturizer. I got the face moisturizer.
And I got the brightening micro powder exfoliant.
So yours was worth $32. Mine was worth $28. I tried this yesterday. It's a nice,
I really kind of wanted to get the body oil, but
yeah, I heard that was really good. This is just a really nice lightweight lotion. It's pretty much the same like the cream. It's just a thinner formula. I love how it's 1.7 fluid ounces.
Okay, so look, this is
the powder.
Right, the micro powder exfoliant with vitamin C. I'm sure it's just mostly rice powder, but this is got the kind of packaging here. Okay, so it's got a twist like that.
Oh wow,
right.
It's really small.
And okay. I didn't realize so much would come out. So if you feel it, it feels less gritty than.
Okay, yeah, it's almost It's truly a very, very fine powder.
It smells good.
It's almost kind of like the texture of flour. It's like flour.
Yes, this really does feel like flour. I can feel a few exfoliating little things, but yeah, I would think that we have a Korean skincare rice powder. That's I would
More
imagine
harsh.
right, but maybe not.
The next product is the Aceology Here We Glow Berry Mask. It's a something that you apply to cleanse skin, and then you let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you remove it.
Did you open it already?
I didn't open it, but you can actually smell it through. It smells... It's supposed to have a lot of like juicy fruits and antioxidants. It has kaolin clay and 5 different berries to help fight free radical damage.
Made in Korea.
So, it's like a purple color.
I could use it with the rice powder.
Oh yeah. So, it looks like a
kaolin
uses,
clay
right?
mask. 2.19 ounces. Like you could probably get a few good uses out of it.
This is a full size and it retails for $69.
Wow, that's crazy. Must be some
Really good stuff.
right.
And then the next product would be the...
Oh, okay. I was gonna say we could do the Paul Mitchell. You basically
you got one
of two. So either a jelly mask or was it like a...
It's a mousse.
Okay, mousse.
So it's a flexible... I got the flexible styling sculpting foam. She got the mask. I used that in my hair today. I still have frizz, but I feel like my hair looks pretty shiny. It didn't weigh down the curls at all. But I don't see any extra volume here.
This jelly mask says it softens and glosses. Basically, you use this after you shampoo, you glob it on your hair, let it soak for a while, and then you, I think, wash it out.
Yeah, yours is supposed to fight dullness and supposed to be good for dry hair. Mine is a styling thing, and this does smell like coconut, but I don't find... You want to smell it? It smells actually really good.
It does smell good.
But I don't find any volume. But
okay, so you have to use conditioner along with this, and a full size at 8 ounces is $30. This is 2 fluid ounces, so I probably would get a few uses out of this, but still cool, something that I would not normally try. And then the last item is
L'Atelier perfume Coeur de Petals
Bloom in Paris.
So it reminds me, it has rose, violet, and jasmine. It reminds me of a Guerlain Violet's perfume.
0.33 fluid ounces, so it's a perfect purse spray.
It smells icy. It really, it's like a fruity, I think it's glass.
It is glass, okay.
I liked it. I sprayed it. It wasn't too harsh. It's like fruity,
like
icy
insolence, just a bit.
Exactly, that's what it reminded me of. So overall, this was a really good box. You got
a good mix
quite
of products,
few,
right?
Yeah, it looks like 3 full-size products. You know, the travel one, a perfume, skincare, the toothpaste. Like, I can't even...
right, I feel like these are all things we haven't had before.
Right, it's not like a bronzer or a blush.
Or like a lip gloss. I mean, this is all kind of different stuff, and it's good sizes